Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for 13th February. And first of all, national news. Anti money laundering law misused like dowry law. Supreme Court. Can't deny passport for relatives' role in anti national activities. Court. Biren Singh's successor yet to be named. Manipur stared at president's rule. India, France to jointly develop advanced nuclear reactors. Poll data system robust, nothing can go wrong. Chief Election Commissioner. Telcos to face fine up to rupees 10 lakh over spam calls. Regulator. Now some international news. Trump spoke to Putin. He said Ukraine's talk to start immediately. Tulsi Gabbard confirmed as Trump's Director of National Intelligence. Make California great again. Danes dream of buying Golden State. Senior Arab officials warn that Trump Gaza plan would inflame Middle East. Peace on agenda, Trump's phone calls with Putin, Zelensky. And now some sports news. All round India demolish England by 142 runs to complete 3-0 clean sweep in ODI series. Mohammad Rizwan and Salman Agha scored centuries in Pakistan's 6-wicket win over South Africa. Business related news. Right time to invest in India, PM Modi at India France CEO Forum. Austria's Bitpanda secured FCA approval in UK, plan to offer set and forget savings strategy. Content Impetus earned 2025 Great Place to Work certification. Industrial output growth slow to 3-month low of 3.2% in December. West Bengal government tables rupees 3.89 lakh crore budget in pre-poll year. And that's all in news. Thank you.